Naman, ang hirap tanggalin. Oh, anyway, yan, nalagay ko na sa top ang Eden cheese. Looks so yummy. Let's wait to be melted. I want cheese. Melted cheese. OMG, who loves cheese? Ah, me. OMG, it looks so good and smells so good. Okay, this is it. Let's taste it. OMG, it's my first time to eat this creamy carbonara of Samyang Buldak. So, I will tell you if masarap ba talaga to. Okay, it's so hot. Okay, epic build. One more time. Okay, I will try my best. Nakita nyo naman, nagbo-boil pa siya, di ba? So, ayan, medyo naanghangan pa ako dyan ng konti. So, ayan, iinom muna tayo ng banana